Well, hey everybody, welcome back. Listen, I was going to do this whole market update and everything for you guys tonight, but there's a much bigger thing actually happening that will affect you actually with the market as a whole anyways. So it's great timing, kill two birds with one stone. And a lot of that revolves around the fact you guys have been asking us, when are we going to have Ted do a presentation on the swing trading? Since back last October here in 2022, when you guys first got to see him talk about his swing trading ideas and trades and strategies and how 2022 was great for him and everything, you guys have been asking. And then, of course, you saw him at the two Wealth 365 summits. Those are really the times that you went ahead and got to see him here. And so we've taken the feedback. We've heard you guys though, and so what we've done is put together a really great class. And of course, our day traders will benefit from this as well, but it's really geared heavily towards swing trading tomorrow night, and I really want to make sure you guys show up for this. So we're going to be bringing you exactly what you asked for tomorrow. Ted's going to be presenting his very own approach to swing trades. It's going to be at 7 o'clock Eastern, 6 o'clock Central, 4 p.m. Pacific there. You really can't afford to miss this because swing trading and this stock market volatility is exciting. And so we want to break it down for you, talk to you about how these movements are taking place, how to find these movements right now, using some of the strategies I taught you before, like pulling back into the champion cross and pulling right back out, right? Those are great things to be looking for. Yeah, look at here, like BIIB, same kind of thing, right? You get these great signals, you also pull back, take right back off. There's lots of entries and re-entries. There's great ways to find these opportunities, find the ones that have the most heat associated with them, right? So there's all these wonderful tools and these ways to find things quickly in a matter of moments, finding some of the best opportunities from our perspective. And we want to talk to you about that because swing trading is an exciting event right now, but especially with the market, the way it's been so choppy, so volatile, you're caught between rising support underneath us, and you got major resistance above us here, both long term and short term. And so we wanted to show you how to identify those super incredible diamonds in the rough, but very quickly, in just literally a few moments, as we'll show you tomorrow night. So this is super exciting. Ted actually went and just closed out a swing trading position literally a few minutes before I'm shooting this video here at 2:46 Central Time, 3:46 Eastern. He just closed out a swing trade here, and so it'll be really exciting to show you how all of this is done here in the current market environment. So if you go to becomeabettertrader.com/swing, becomeabettertrader.com/swing, you're going to get to spend time with Ted here tomorrow night. You're not going to want to miss this. This has never been done before. We've done a dedicated class in this kind of fashion with Ted, so we're giving you exactly what you asked for. And like I said, day traders will also be able to benefit. We'll show you how there tomorrow, but of course we're heavily gearing this towards swing traders tomorrow night as well because of the needs that they have in these kind of market volatile situations. And so super exciting class. So go to becomeabettertrader.com/swing. That also gives us a chance to update you on our market thoughts and what we're looking at here. So I can't wait to see you at tomorrow night's event with Ted. I'll be there as well. So 7 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Central, and 4 o'clock Pacific. Have a great night, gang. Can't wait to show you this exciting presentation. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.